Do you need one tool that can handle a dozen everyday jobs? Well, let's put the LEATHERMAN Wingman Multi-Tool to the test, and we'll see what this compact powerhouse can really do. Spoiler alert, if you order a lot of stuff online, whether it's cardboard boxes or the blasted stuff that comes in these bubble packs where you've got to tear the whole thing apart to get the battery out or whatever is being protected, there's a particular tool on this multi-tool that I'm going to show you need to be aware of, because it will make things a lot safer and a lot easier. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the LEATHERMAN Wingman Multi-Tool and 3 things you need to know about this one. And there may be more than 3, but I don't normally get excited about this kind of tool because there's a lot of this out there, but you're going to be very happy with this one. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it, and it'll help the channel. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1, it has a unique package opening tool that won't cut off a finger when you use it, or if you've had my luck, cut through the box, and I'm talking about the box with the product in it, which then makes it kind of harder to return because it looks like it's been put through, a world war. And I haven't found this kind of tool on other multi-tools. Now there's they all got the knife blade, and you can use that one, but I've got a place on one of my hands where one of those sliced right through me and I had to go to the hospital. I had stitches for weeks. So this one little tool that you're going to see a video of is very safe to use, and there's times when you may want to use a larger blade, but you don't always have to. Thing number 2, and this is an important deal. This is made in the USA. It is made in Portland, Oregon, and it has a 25-year warranty. Now, how many things, I know we're all sensitive to getting the best price, but I want to support American companies. They are not asking me to say this. They don't even know I'm doing the video. I like Leatherman that much, and this is about my 3rd Leatherman, I think. One of them I moved several years ago. I still haven't found the box it's in. It is, you get what you pay for, and this is simply a tool it's one that you're probably going to hand down to a child. So it's that quality. Thing number 3, if you haven't purchased a multi-tool before, this is a good one to start with. It's the quality of the tool. It's not going to fall apart. At least the ones I've had in the past are still functional today. This is well worth getting one, especially this is a good graduation gift for somebody who's either getting out of high school or college, because this will be very handy. And some of these tools, you'll have the serrated tool that you can chop meat with, let's put it that way. Well, you have that, but it's a smaller one. So you've got one blade that is the standard type of knife blade, the way I would call it, and then you've also got the serrated blade. So this really can do quite a bit. If I wasn't putting it in my smart home EDC bag, I'd probably look at some sort of carry case for it, because I want to protect. But it's well worth adding to your collection or being your first one. Take a look at this one and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it, and it'll help the channel out. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.